Control Center just got a major upgrade. Cleaner navigation, smarter search, and faster access to the tools that you use every day. My name is Phil. I'm an onboarding specialist here at FasTrax. In this video, we're taking a look at the new FasTrax Control Center. I'm going to walk you through the updated layout and highlight some of the new features designed to make your day-to-day use of Control Center faster, easier, and more intuitive. Don't worry, all the powerful tools are still right at your fingertips. We just gave them an upgrade. Let's jump in and take a tour. One of the first changes you'll notice is how navigation works across the platform. The side menus now open up in a drop-down format, and you can collapse it anytime you want to make more room for work. Let's open the price book module and take a closer look. To get there, we'll click on Point of Sale, then Price Book, and Products. You'll notice that the tabs at the top of the page for your mass updates, categories, brands, and all the rest have been moved to a neat little drop-down menu with everything in one spot. This gives you easy access to the submodules without cluttering up the top of the screen. This should make moving around Control Center smoother and more intuitive. So everything you need is right where you expect it to be. Right above the drop-down menu is another new feature. Quick Links gives you a simple way to quickly navigate your most used modules. You'll find it at the top of the page, and it's available no matter where you are in Control Center. When you click on Quick Links, you'll see the essential pages listed right at the top, making it easy to find what you need and move between tools without jumping around to different pages. In addition, your most recently accessed modules will appear on the left, letting you pick up right where you left off. You can also favorite the ones you use most often. Now let's take a look at how filtering has been simplified and improved across Control Center. On the products page, for example, you'll see we've added more context for available filters, helping you confidently apply the right options when viewing data, whether you're running reports or reviewing products. This reduces guesswork, helps avoid mistakes, and makes it easier to quickly find the information you need. From there, let me show you the new search feature. This is the one that I use the most. You'll find the search icon at the top right of the screen, right next to your username, and it's available on any page. Just click the search icon and start typing. Control Center will instantly show matching results across all modules, helping you get where you need to go fast and without frustration. In addition, support is now easier to access than ever. Right next to the search icon, click on the support icon and you can reach training materials, documentation, and the FasTrax support phone number. You might even be lucky enough to get me. You also have direct access to the Lifeline support portal. In addition, you'll find a link to the FTx Academy as well, where you can access courses, quizzes, certifications, and additional learning resources, all in one unified location. Speaking of training, you might have noticed a little question mark and a bubble on the bottom left of the screen. If you're ever unsure how a feature works or you just need a refresher, just click on the question mark to get instant guidance without leaving Control Center. Clicking the icon opens the Knowledge Base article specifically related to the page that you're viewing. You can also search for other Knowledge Base articles once you have the widget open as well. And last, but certainly not least, Control Center now offers improved support for tablets and mobile devices. With enhanced page responsiveness, you can make backend updates from anywhere. Well, everybody, that wraps up our overview of the new FasTrax Control Center. It's the same Control Center you've come to know and love. We've just given it a fresh new look, a little bit more security, and added some new features to make your job easier. Thanks for watching this episode of FasTrax Facts. Be sure to explore the updates in your Control Center, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you have a second, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, so that way you don't miss out on anything new coming from the FasTrax team.